Jochiw oboke mag ndiko e tich jochiw thieth 556 kami ariyo kuomgi gin nurses. Ma en achiel mar bero chenro mag thieth ka achiel gi chiwo jochiw thieth mag kaontino mosebedo kondiki e tich e yor orak kuom thuolo mar higni 10 mosekalo. E kinde motwak e nyasi mar chiwo obokego, gavana makono Eric Mutai osingo medo chwalo omenda e sekta mar thieth neno ni jopiny oyudo thieth makare. Jatelono omedo yango ni tend counties ma pachoka osechopo e winjruok gi tend KEMSA kaachiel gi tend SHA kendo kalo ni SHA koro biro chwalo ne KEMSA omenda achiel kachiel gino mabiro tieko deko e chwalo yedhe kod gik thieth mamoko e ute thieth mag piny owacho.
Of them is so much strengthening the accountability and management of.
I think HIV, the president, former President Moi, had declared it.
That to avoid debts with KEMSA as counties, we will be committing to sign tripartite agreement that will see us that what we collect from SHA, from the dispensaries to our hospitals, the SHA will deduct the money for medicine right up there. SHA will pay directly KEMSA medicine, so that KEMSA will be able to direct medicine directly to our facilities, the dispensaries, without a lot of protocol. This is a discussion which is led by the President, and I think it's the best way so that as a nation, not only as a county, we'll be able to end the perennial shortages of drugs in our hospital and be able to provide the best service.
We want to also to make a record straight. Wale madaktari wakubwa wakipata hiyo insurance pia hawa wapate hiyo insurance hawa, kwa sababu they are working in the same environment na wengine. So we have no less doctors and a bigger doctors, so we need that insurance as we agree, as we move on.